G'day collectors, welcome back to Authentic Collectibles. We've got a bit of a double banger of specials for you this time. You may recall a couple of months ago that we released our 100 Years of Ford celebration tribute livery by Tristan Groves on the Mustang. And you might have thought that was one Mustang to rule them all, but you were deceived. We have made two more that are only available as website exclusives. So let's jump in and have a bit of a look at what we got going on. It's time to rip them apart. Let's go. Okay, so this actually completes the trio, if you like. We've got the FGX, which is kind of, we chose that because it's really the last Australian manufactured Ford, and it's also got a bit of a history. And this is kind of the future of Ford, where we're seeing hypo-electric stuff. You know, as you recall, the SuperVan basically got the world record at Bathurst a couple of years ago, which we've already modelled as well. So it kind of rounds out what we were thinking about for 100 years of Ford. So these two are actually a website exclusive set. They're very, very low numbers. There's only 100 of each. I think there's 102 of this one, but hey, who's counting? They'll be released at the appropriate time, which we'll put in the doobly-doo right about there. It'd be better jump in quick, because as you know, whenever we do these things, they're gone within minutes. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Obviously, as we're getting close to that point, we'll probably be spruiking the hell out of this stuff, as we usually do. So if you've got the Mustang and you want to complete the trio, you got to be quick. Apart from that, as always, like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that stuff we say here on YouTube. Keep collecting, and I'll see you on the next one. Righto, take it easy.